In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on projects in QuickBooks Online. This is a quick and straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Projects in QuickBooks Online is a fantastic feature that allows you to track your income and expenses more precisely, providing insights into job profitability and keeping your financial reports accurate. Let's dive right into the steps to enable this feature and enhance your accounting experience. To start, open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button, which will take you to the portal where you can access your account. Here, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options to ensure you're directed to the right place. Next, you need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your email address and password, then hit Continue. Ensure that your login details are accurate to avoid any issues accessing your account. If you happen to forget your password, QuickBooks offers a convenient password recovery option so you can get back on track without much hassle. Once you're logged in, locate the Settings option. This can typically be found by navigating to the gear icon in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several settings options. Here, you'll need to select Account and Settings. Moving forward within the Account and Settings menu, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Advanced tab to proceed. This section houses various options for customizing your QuickBooks Online settings, allowing you to tailor the software to your business needs. Now it's time to enable projects. Within the Advanced section, look for the Projects option. This may involve scrolling down a bit to find it. Once you've located projects, click on it, which will present you with the option to turn it on. Simply switch it to the on position. With projects enabled, remember to click on the Save button. This is crucial as it ensures that all the changes you've just made are stored successfully. Missing this step could result in having to redo the process, so make sure your settings are saved before exiting. And there you have it, you've successfully turned on projects in QuickBooks Online. This feature will now allow you to manage your projects more effectively, providing a better understanding of your business's financial health. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other QuickBooks Online guides for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.